Hi, my name is Deja Thomas. I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I will be spending my summer in Prairieville, Louisiana. It's about 30 minutes away from Baton Rouge. Um, some of my hobbies outside of school and my interests are definitely like reading things like poetry books, and I will be babysitting over the summer. And during the school year, I volunteer at Spring Hill Manor, which is a nursing home, and I also tutor kids at Riker High School to help them prepare for the ACT. My general feelings about this class and about math in general is that um, it's kind of nervous because, well, I'm kind of nervous because I'm not really good at math. But I am definitely willing to work hard, and I'm kind of optimistic as well, and like excited to see how everything's gonna pan out. And I feel like I can do it. This is my second time taking math, so I'm hoping that since I've basically taken pre-cal in the um, spring semester, that I'll be able to recall some of the stuff, and it will be kind of easier, being that I've seen it recently before. Um, so, other than that, something that I know about math that I find most interesting, it was something from my pre-cal class last semester that we did. It was like working with logarithmic functions. Um, I'm gonna do something way easier than the stuff that we were doing. It was just kind of a problem that I remember I used to have fun doing. So it's solving an equation, but it's with log base e. So I'm gonna try to show you that. Let me see. So make sure you can see it good. Okay, let me back up. Okay. Wait. Oh god. Okay, here we go. So what this basically says is e to the x squared, it equals e to the 9x squared. So basically what I remember is whenever the bases are the same, you just go straight to the exponents and you can work it out from there. So that's how we're going to create the equation that we'll be solving. So I'm going to take x squared equals 9x minus 14, because those are both the exponents and e is the same, so you don't have to do anything to get those equal. But in the case that it wasn't, you would have to do a few extra steps to make your bases equal, so you can start working with the exponents. But I'm doing something easier. So after I do this, basically I'm going to try to set the equation equal to 0. So I want to do x squared minus 9x minus 14 equals 0. I hope you can, okay, you can still see this. I need to start writing a little smaller. Okay, so after I do this, I'm basically gonna factor. So I'm gonna take x, because there's x squared, I'm just gonna give both of these an x, and then 14, something that I can do, I can multiply to get 14, but then also add or subtract to get the 9 would be 7 and 2. So that's still equal to 0. So because I'm dealing with negatives here, I'm going to give both of them negatives, because negative 7 minus 2 would give me that 9, and then 7 times the 2 is 14. So from there, I want to do, so from here we just know our x's. So I'm going to bring this down. Your x is going to be the opposite of the number that you have here. So x is going to be 7 here, and x is going to be 2 here, and it's positive. It's just the opposite of what you did. So my answer, I'm going to write it up here because I'm running out of space, but my answer is x is 7 and 2. All right.